The Mercedes-Benz GLS class remains the brand's flagship luxury SUV, offering unparalleled space and versatility for families in need of a spacious and refined vehicle. Welcome to CWJ Autos, where we share the latest muscle cars, luxury cars, and upcoming cars news. With seating for up to 7 passengers, the GLS class surpasses the rugged G-Class in terms of interior room, making it ideal for larger families or those who frequently transport groups. Available in various trims, the GLS class offers something for everyone, from the opulent Maybach version to the performance-focused AMG variant. It competes with other large luxury SUVs such as the Cadillac Escalade, BMW X7, and Bentley Bentayga, while also offering an all-electric alternative in the form of the EQS SUV, though this is assessed separately. For 2025, Mercedes-Benz has refreshed the GLS class both inside and out, ensuring it maintains a strong presence in the luxury SUV segment, even as the brand begins to shift its focus to electric models like the EQS SUV. While there is no definitive timeline for the GLS's retirement, these updates enhance its appeal and extend its relevance in the market. The base GLS 450 is powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six engine that generates 375 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This setup allows the GLS 450 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 5.8 seconds. For those seeking more performance, the GLS 580 ups the ante with a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine producing 510 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque, cutting the 0 to 60 miles per hour time down to just 4.7 seconds. At the top of the performance ladder is the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63, which is equipped with a 603 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine and can sprint to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.1 seconds, offering an exceptional combination of luxury and speed. The exterior design of the 2025 GLS class has been given a refreshed look, with both the GLS 450 and GLS 580 featuring larger front air intakes, a glossy black grille, and a new four-slat design that enhances the SUV's bold presence. The body retains its smooth, elegant curves, while the AMG models take on a more aggressive stance with monochrome finishes and larger wheels, some up to 23 inches in diameter. The Maybach versions distinguish themselves with exclusive branding elements, giving them an even more premium appearance. Inside, the GLS class boasts a newly designed interior with a central touchscreen that responds to touch inputs and offers 3 different display modes for a customizable experience. A notable addition is the new off-road mode, which transforms the touchscreen into a virtual display, providing a real-time view of the terrain beneath the front of the SUV thanks to HD cameras. This feature enhances the GLS's off-road capabilities and adds to its overall tech-savvy appeal. All GLS models now come standard with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which improves fuel efficiency and provides additional torque for enhanced performance. The SUV is also equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, ensuring smooth and confident handling in a variety of conditions. The Maybach GLS takes things a step further by boosting the engine output to 550 horsepower, offering an even more powerful and luxurious driving experience. In terms of pricing, the 2025 GLS 450 starts at $88,000, while the GLS 580 begins at $113,000. With its combination of space, luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS class continues to be a top contender in the large luxury SUV market, appealing to those who demand the best in both comfort and capability.